Inevitable homework in our busy life. Laundry. What if the annoying laundry becomes a pleasant work? The power to change everyday life into special. Washenjoy is a premium self-laundromat that takes the lead in establishing a pleasant laundry culture. The premium self-laundromat, which started to be known in Korea through Washenjoy, launched for the first time in the industry in 2012. Why is self-laundromat getting spotlight as a promising industry? First, its investment stability. We do not get influenced by the trend as it is a life-friendly industry using laundry, an indispensable item in our daily lives. Therefore, we do not get influenced by external environment, and this enables a long-time proven business without worrying about closing. It is an already proven business model with its stability in advanced countries such as in US and Japan. In case of Korea, the size of the industry is increasing due to its increase in demand on use of laundromat, followed by the change in the living environment of developed countries. Second, its ease of operation. It is operated on an unmanned system and requires no staff, so it is free from stress of handling customers and employee management. In addition, you do not need any special skills or training, and you can manage your store in about 30 minutes a day, which lets you operate freely. Third, its profitability. We have achieved high profit based on reasonable startup costs and 80% return rates. Moreover, it is a blue ocean where franchisor can expect steady, high profit with low maintenance cost and has an easy, simple profit structure. Since the opening of the first store in 2012, Washenjoy has been operating more than 330 stores successfully as of 2018. And it is an acknowledged brand to rank in the first as the first in the industry, successfully entering overseas markets. What is the difference that only Washenjoy has? Washenjoy's washing equipment uses the washing equipment of Electrolux, which has the world's highest quality where the worldwide Electrolux technology is concentrated. Washing equipment of Electrolux is the world's first HACCP certified and has established an unrivaled position in hygiene management. Besides its excellent washing performance, it's receiving high levels of satisfaction from customers as it provides convenient cleaning functions from dust filtering, laundry tangle prevention, and anti-rust to consumer-friendly laundry courses such as antibacterial washing, antibacterial laundry, antibacterial hot water laundry, and eco-friendly laundry course. Other than that, with gas-saving features and excellent energy-saving technology, it allows you to save a lot of maintenance costs. Washenjoy imports and supplies washing equipment that acquired KC Electrical Appliance Safety Certification and secures safety in equipment operation as well. Another distinguishing feature of Washenjoy is its convenience. We introduced a cafe-style interior that allows you to spend your time comfortably while waiting, and enhanced service competitiveness with a variety of convenient facilities. Also, we have introduced an unmanned information system kiosk and customer call center, which operates 24/7 to assist customers in their convenience. The technology and service quality that only Washenjoy has been recognized by leading newspapers and consumer ratings organizations in Korea. 0% of closing rate since the brand launch. The statistic that the ratio of store owners who operate 2 or more stores is 30%. And this proves the reliability and competitiveness of Washenjoy. Washenjoy shows difference in its startup system as well. We constantly hold our business introduction for would-be owners and run a special exhibition hall for would-be owners to understand better. We are working with the Business Leadership Center to support owners to open competitive stores based on accurate commercial power data. Also, after the opening, our headquarters helps store owners operate, while we plan and support customer marketing, which leads to increase in sales.
다른 데서는 일단 뭐 하고 나면 마케팅적인 게 약하니까. 근데 워시앤조이는 그런 게 좀 강한 것 같아요. 같이 이제 이렇게 창업하시는 점주님들하고 그런 마케팅이죠. 같이 이제 운영해 나가는.
Washenjoy is one of the brands operated by Korea Laundry, a laundry equipment specialized company. With years of combined know-how and technology, such as the development and delivery of laundry solutions and the export of laundry equipment operation solutions, the company has achieved remarkable growth in the laundry industry. Washenjoy, the premium self-laundromat, having started as the first and to walk on its best way. We will become a brand you want to find again and a partner you want to work with. Enjoy a pleasant laundry culture in a special space. Our life becomes different. Washenjoy.